back to my channel. Today we're doing a saltwater flush challenge. Please note, you know your body more than anyone, so please be cautious when making this choice. We're using 32 ounces of warm water, 2 teaspoons of pink Himalayan salt, and 1 fresh lemon. I'm using 2 bottles of room temperature drinking water along with the pink Himalayan salt and the fresh lemon. I have now mixed the concoction. I put 1 teaspoon in each of the bottles of the pink Himalayan salt and 1/2 of each section squeezed into each bottle of the fresh lemon. I am 189 pounds at the start of the challenge. I'm 5'10", and I started it at 9:23 a.m. You have 5 minutes to drink all 32 ounces of the concoction. And you can see the concoction here right before I drink it with the lemon and salt mixed. I have now completed the drinking of it. I did the 5 minutes. Well, let me just correct that. The 5 minutes completed, but I went over a little bit. I'm sorry about that. But as you can see, the bottles are now empty where I have completed it. Now, the next instruction is that you're supposed to lay on your right side first and rub the left side of your stomach so you can relax the stomach muscles. And then you flip on the opposite side and lay on the left side of your stomach to, of course, rub the right side. Now, just to kind of give you an idea of the taste of the concoction, I'm a person that likes lemon and salt. I usually like that, especially when I have a cold. So mixing it with the water and drinking it, the taste wasn't too bad for me. So about an hour later, I had a total of 3 movements. And then this is the result, 185 pounds, almost 4 pounds. And then you can see what my stomach looked like after the whole challenge. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and we will see you next time. And again, the choice is yours. You know yourself more than anyone.